Friday workshop!
What are we doing this week?
This week, we are making a K.
Yeah, we have 1,000 subscribers.
1.0200
subscribers. This is what we're building through the magic of time travel. This is what we're building. So it's 1,000 subscriber K that's going to go up on our wall. So if you want to watch something like that, check this video out.
So here we go.
See this K right here? With this 1,000 right here? This is something we created ourselves. I created an imaging app called GIMP. It's free online, and then we put it into Laser Gerbil right here. And Dom will tell you about the Laser Gerbil part of it.
Alright, so Laser Gerbil is this program right here, and this is where we have the K load up. Then we'll put the K onto that laser using the laser that's connected to the app.
Laser!
Haha, it's not plugged in. Can you plug it in?
Sometimes when you're cutting with a bandsaw, it can leave jagged edges. So we're gonna go ahead and sand them off. .220 grit sandpaper. Do you know what time it is? It's Mineral Spirits time! Yeah. spray on lacquer. Friday workshop!
That was the K build. Where is it?
It's right there.
There it is.
Turned out pretty well, I think.
Look at this lasering. Look at the edge work we did. Dom's sanding is meticulous. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Holy cow. The finish work. Look at how glossy that is. Shiny.
Yeah.
Bling. Can you do some editing with that? Bling. All right. If you like videos like these,
You should check out this one.
like and subscribe.
Yeah.